Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 7 or 8 for free in 2020. As you know, they got rid of the free upgrade to Windows 10 back in 2015, but by downloading the media creation tool from Microsoft's website, you can still upgrade to Windows 10 for free. But that's only considering if your version of Windows you're using now is genuine, and as you can see here, mine is, so let's go ahead. Go to your web browser of choice and go to the Microsoft website and the media creation tool. I will have a link to this in the description. And you're going to click download tool now. And in the corner your download will show up. Once it's downloaded you can click on it. This screen will show up and all you have to do is click yes. The little Windows thing will show up in the middle of your screen and the installation will start any moment. And here we go. So it's just going to say getting a few things ready. Now this can sometimes take a little bit. Okay, so once it's done doing that, this screen will show up and you're just going to click on upgrade this PC now and click next, and then it's going to download your Windows. This, depending on your Wi-Fi signal, can take a little while. Alright, so our download is almost done. Should only be just another second. Alright, so now it's going to go through verify your download. This doesn't take too long, and once it's done I'll be back. Alright, and once the verifying download was done, it'll create Windows 10 Media, which doesn't take long at all. Alright, we're getting through the creating Windows 10 Media pretty good. Alright, so we're making it through the media, creating Windows 10 Media, and now it's going to close the setup, and then the setup will start up again. Alright, so the setup just closed, and now it's loading back up. Here we go. Alright, now it's going to see if you can get any updates for your install. Now it's checking my PC, I guess for compatibility. If your computer was made between 2010, 2011 to now, it should be fine. Alright, now it's going to get a few things ready again. Alright, so now it's going to ask you for the license terms. You can read through it, but I'm just going to click accept. Alright, so now it's going to make sure you're ready to install. Now it's going to get some updates and checking if you're ready to install again. It says this may take a few minutes. Alright, so it says we're ready to install. You won't be able to use your PC while Windows installs. Save and close your files before you begin. To recap, you've chosen to install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps. Right. I'm assuming you can choose to wipe the computer by clicking that or not. Right, so I'm just going to click install. And it starts the Windows 10 installation. I'll be back when this is done. Alright, so the installation here is almost done, and then it'll go through another process. Now your PC is going to restart. Alright, so now the computer is going to restart. Say goodbye to Windows 7. Alright, now setup's going to load files, and it's going to show the Windows 10 boot screen. And this part takes a while, so I'll be back when it's done. Alright, so we just went through one restart, and we're at 30%. Alright, so we're at 52%. We're halfway there now. Alright, so it just restarted again, and we're waiting for it to boot up and go back to the installation process. Alright, so whoa, we're at 86% now. We're nearing the end of the installation. Alright, so it's finally changed to full screen for me, and we're still at 86%. Okay, so we're at 91% now. Overall, this hasn't taken too long. 95, 96, 97, 98, and 100. Alright, so I'm assuming this might restart again, and I was right. Oh, it didn't restart. So it's logging into my user. Hi. This part doesn't usually take too long either. Some screens might go blank for a while, but that's fine. Alright, so here there's a bunch of easy settings you have to go through. Do more with your voice. Online speech recognition, I usually press yes, okay. On directions of weather and stuff, I usually like apps knowing where I am so I get the right weather and stuff, so I press yes. Find my device, I usually turn that off. It's up to you. Now this one is very important to put on basic because you don't want Microsoft knowing everything you're doing. Alright? And this sends all your everything you basically write on your laptop sends to Microsoft, so click no, accept. Get tailored experiences with diagnostics data. No, those are really annoying. Let apps use advertising ID. I don't mind that. I turn it on. And here we are. We are to the Windows 10 desktop. A successful update from Windows 7 Home Premium to Windows 10 Home in 2020. And I'm going to check for you now. We should still be activated. And as you can see, Windows is activated. Alright, so this video was showing how to upgrade from Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10 for free in 2020. If this video helped out, please like and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.